I live in Dickinson, Texas, and this is an area that was really affected by Hurricane Harvey flooding. It's a nice little town. It's small. It's only about 20,000 people, and about 80% of the homes that were here were affected in some way.
My house had 41 inches of water in it. It totally devastated everything. We lost everything from photo albums to important documents. We only had at least 8 minutes to get out of the house.
It's like the sky was falling out. It was standing here on this balcony. It was just like sheets of water falling down, and this was a raging river.
We're Center Disaster Rebuilders is here to help people who lost their homes during Hurricane Harvey, help them recover low income and normally elderly and disabled homeowners who don't have the means or any resources to rebuild on their own.
The AmeriCorps team presence in Dickinson means a lot. It brings a moral lift to a community to be basically the recipient of such quality, good labor and caring people. I know the community feels lifted up by AmeriCorps volunteers. I'm inspired by you all. And for those of us that have been here working in the recovery for the last year and a half, we need the inspiration. It's just amazing the fortitude and the determination that I see in you all, especially like doing things like getting under a house. And I have to just admire you all for that kind of get it done attitude.
The number of people affected by Hurricane Harvey is truly unbelievable. It has been an honor to get to know and work alongside these people who were so viciously set back, and to help them find their center again by helping to recover and rebuild some of what they have lost.